Champorado in the Philippine cuisine is a sweet chocolate rice porridge. Growing up, I had champorado as an afternoon snack. It is usually made from leftover rice from previous meal, so there's no waste. But if you want to level up your champorado and have a more sticky consistency, you may use a glutinous rice. And for this champorado recipe, we're gonna kick it with a double chocolate plus my favorite, coffee. So here is our list of ingredients. So we'll start off by boiling our water and combining our cooked rice in the pot and place it over medium heat. The total cooking time will be significantly shorter because we are already using a cooked rice. This is another great recipe idea if you have any leftover rice at home. Your day-old rice will magically transform into a delicious afternoon snack. And make sure to mash up any clumps of rice. While the rice is cooking, let's prepare the other ingredients. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We will then add 1 cup of hot water. I prefer having lesser amount of sugar in this recipe and replacing it with milk instead. Adding milk in the champorado makes it sweet and creamy. And then we'll add the sweetened condensed milk. Adding it ahead with our cocoa powder and sugar makes the mixing a lot easier later on. Once done mixing, set it aside and let's go back to the rice. Champorado is a personal favorite and I have great childhood memories about it. I could remember my mama making it for me and my siblings, so when we come home from school, we have a warm and delicious champorado to enjoy. Shout out to my kuyas and ate, Ate Doris, Kuya Dondon, and Kuya Dennis. And back to our champorado. Once the rice becomes sticky, we could then add our cocoa, sugar, and milk mixture. Just keep mixing until all our ingredients are properly incorporated. Give this another boil and we'll add the remaining ingredients. At this point, make sure to taste your champorado so you'll know if you need to add more sugar or sweetened condensed milk. And then we'll add our milk chocolate. I tried different ways of making the champorado really great and delicious, and most especially chocolatey. And I figured out why not make the same approach when I bake cookies or cupcakes or muffins, for example. So I tried adding in the chocolates I have at home. It's a milk premium chocolate from Calibu and it's 33.6%. And to my surprise, it actually tasted really good. And another great ingredient I usually add to my cookies, cupcakes, or muffins is coffee. So if you're a coffee lover just like me, you might absolutely want to try this. So I'm adding about half a teaspoon of granulated coffee. I like it with a little hint of coffee, but not overwhelming to the extent that it becomes bitter. We're almost done and we're finally adding in our last ingredient, evaporated milk. This is a 7.1% milk, but if you want a lesser fat content, you may use fresh milk. Give it one final mix and we're ready to serve a delicious and hot champorado. And here is our coffee double chocolate champorado. So if you're a big fan of this rice chocolate porridge just like me, go ahead and give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoyed our video today. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye!